I'm moored up right at the very end of Bugsworth Basin. And it's an extremely windy day. I have no idea what these holes in the wall are for. A nature reserve. Not very big, is it? I'm not going to attempt to read all this. If you wish to read it, please press pause. Bugsworth Village. Used to be called Bugsworth Village. Apparently, the locals didn't like the name Bugsworth. I believe that takes you up to the old quarries, and to the left of this picture is the old tramway. A quick look back at the basin. Now we're walking down the old tramway, down into the basin. And if we look carefully as we walk down here, we can still see the stone inserts into the gravel here, where the rails would have been fixed. The holes in the stones are quite a good giveaway of where the rails would have been fixed. After coming down the hill into the basin, we can now see extra stones, so it's split into two tramways from here onwards around the corner here. My yacht in the distance there across the pound here. In case you cannot read the plaque on here, this is one of the old uprights of one of the old cantilever loading jibs. Right, time to continue this walk around the basin. Well, we do get quite a good view down this section of the basin from this road bridge. This bridge takes you to the pub and on up into the village of Bugsworth. No idea what this support was for, possibly a canopy. As we walk around the basin, this is just one section of the basin. We see the odd boat dotted around here moored up. But as you can see, there's lots and lots of free mooring, and you can only stay here 2 days. There is mooring both sides here of this section of the basin. I'm now going to walk down to the other fork in the basin. Well, I've actually decided, because I still having a lot of uploading issues with speeds of the internet around this area, I'm going to actually cut this into 2 videos. I'm going to make the first half, which you've already seen, and the second half will be in the next video. So I'm going to bring this video to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. It's rather nice here at Bugsworth Basin, except for the lack of upkeep. I thank, of course, all my Patreon and PayPal supporters. everyone for watching and everyone for subscribing. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that old bell notification button. Don't forget, it is free. That just leaves me to say, thank you very much for watching. Trevor out. We will start the next video with a little bit of an explanation about this model of Bugsworth Basin.